Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 21st, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from OSI Systems. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. OSI Systems has just released their fiscal 2025 fourth quarter and full year financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their record-breaking revenues and earnings.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. OSI Systems reported record Q4 revenues of $505 million and fiscal year revenues of $1.713 billion, which is an 11% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth is primarily driven by the security division, which saw strong service revenue growth due to an expanding installed base. This division's performance was a significant contributor to the overall revenue increase. Additionally, the company's focus on operational efficiencies helped boost their profitability, with a Q4 adjusted EPS of $3.24 and a fiscal year adjusted EPS of $9.36, marking a 15% year-over-year increase.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $3.19 for the quarter, based on a survey of 5 analysts. OSI Systems reported an adjusted EPS of $3.24, beating expectations by 5. John, how significant is this beat?
This is a notable achievement for OSI Systems. Beating the EPS forecast indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management. It reflects positively on the company's ability to exceed market expectations, which can boost investor confidence and potentially drive the stock price higher.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, OSI Systems reported a 16% growth in Q4 operating income and a 15% increase for the fiscal year. They also generated $97.6 million in cash flow for the year. John, what does this tell us about their operational health?
These figures highlight OSI Systems' strong operational health and effective cost management. The increase in operating income and cash flow indicates that the company is not only growing its top line, but also managing its expenses efficiently. Additionally, the expansion of their credit facility to $825 million, extended to 2030, positions them well for future strategic investments and growth initiatives.
CEO Insights. Let's discuss the insights from the company's leadership. CEO Ajay Mehra mentioned record-breaking revenues and non-GAAP EPS, while CFO Alan Edrick highlighted the expanded credit facility. How do these statements shape the company's future outlook?
CEO Ajay Mehra's statement underscores the company's successful execution, particularly in the security division, which is a key growth driver. CFO Alan Edrick's comments on the expanded credit facility and expected strong cash flow in fiscal 2026 suggest that OSI Systems is well prepared to capitalize on future opportunities and invest in strategic initiatives, which bodes well for long-term value creation.
Key takeaways. In summary, OSI Systems has delivered a strong performance with record revenues and earnings, beating EPS expectations. Their strategic initiatives and expanded credit facility position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
OSI Systems is demonstrating robust growth and operational efficiency, making it an attractive investment opportunity. There's strong guidance for fiscal 2026, with expected revenues between $1.805 billion and $1.85 billion, further supports a positive outlook.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on OSI Systems performance in the comments below.